Since we have nothing better to do, we just gave the birds a bath and now they're just chilling, right, guys? You guys just chilling? Just chilling in bed?
They were cleaning each other. They're not doing it anymore.
They were just cleaning each other.
Your hand is in the way. Don't Facebook me right now because my hair's all like jacked up. I was wearing a hat today.
Even a little bit is like, are you for real? Are you for real? She used to have 14 birds.
Let's see up your nose.
Oh, how cute is that? I don't even look at my nose. Look how cute they are, though.
Oh, there they go. They're cleaning each other.
Mm-hmm. Sugar and spice. How cute. Birds are so cute.
Anyway.
Now we're people who do annoying bird videos. Sorry, guys.